Hey y'all, it's me Rubia here with a new video, and I wanted to show you guys how I did these super quick. It could have been quicker, but you know, a distressed butterfly. I feel like these are more distressed, not really butterfly. I don't know, there's just so many, don't know how to distinguish them anymore. But yeah, if you want to see how I did this look, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm almost done with my, I don't even know, I really wanted it to be mid-back, but look at this shit. In a way it kind of is mid-back, but like the front is giving me like short vibes, so I'm mad about that. But yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys what hair I used, how many pieces I used. Yeah, so the type of hair that I'm using, it's very springy, as you can see. And yes, I rip open the hair as much as possible, y'all, as much as possible. And once I get to the top parts, or obviously like these parts, or you know, the crown parts, I go back in and add a piece of hair because it gets thinner, if that makes sense. So I just add a piece of hair to make it as thick as the ones at the bottom. So yes, you get your crochet needle, hook, whatever, poke it through. Oh, look at that. And this hairstyle actually did not take that long to do. It actually took me a minute to do because I be taking breaks and I be getting lazy. But I started at 9 and it's about to be like 2. So. And this is 12 inches, by the way. 12 inches of hair. I leave like a shorter side, and then I take only, I use 3 sections, right? 3 pieces of hair. Now I'm only taking 2 out of the 3, and I'm gonna start wrapping. And y'all see how short my hair is. See, my hair like 3 inches. But yeah, and just like that, you wanna make sure, you know, you got a nice firm beginning or whatever. And make sure you cover your head, your hair, your piece of hair entirely. Get a nice tight grip. Mines are actually not even that tight, to be honest. So like, it doesn't hurt or anything. And you just keep on wrapping. And then if you're running out of hair, you know, you could just grab some from the remaining. Keep wrapping down. See, I wanted to do long ones, but y'all, it's just so hot. Like, but the temperature over here in Florida is starting to cool down, so I might do some long ones in the future. Maybe a different color too, because I always do black or brown. Like, I kind of want to get out the box or something. You feel me? So you wrap down. Then the same direction that you're wrapping in, you grab the leftover and start wrapping like this, backwards or whatever. Y'all, please ignore these acne. I don't know what's going on. I've heard that is like, if you get acne on your face, on your cheek area, is because of your stomach, something going on in your stomach. So that tells me I'm not eating right, y'all. So, and guess what? I'm about to go eat some chicken wings right now, because guess what? I just love me all of that, but it's hard in these streets. Like, I lost pound. Tell me why I gained weight and now I lost it again. Like, I'm angry. I can't maintain the weight. Because, first of all, I've been doing hair a lot, too. I don't be having a time to eat. Like, I don't know. I don't know. I need to do something different because I don't, right now I'm actually hungry. So yeah, you see this and see how it's kind of like thinner than everything else. So yeah, now here comes the part where I add a piece of hair. You want to grab your piece of hair and just, start wrapping like so. And then yeah, it's just as thick as the rest. And then I tried using glue, but I usually do with my clients, but I ain't really, now I'm starting to see maybe it's not really necessary, but I mean, it also depends on the type of hair you're using. But no, I didn't feel like grabbing the glue after every dreadlock. I didn't feel like doing all that. So, yes, we are on our last one, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all one more time. Okay, get your do this to make it easier to put it onto the hook, but you poke it through. It kind of pinches a little, but yup. And then you get your two strands. So now you have, all them strands just hanging. And then now you're just gonna start wrapping. Now I start wrapping this way because that was the direction that I've been doing for my whole head. So the video is gonna end out of nowhere in a couple of seconds. I don't know what happened there, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Remember to like, comment, and all that good stuff. Show love. Thanks, y'all. See y'all in my next videos. Also, if you want to see me do any other hairstyles, I'll be happy to try them out for y'all. And yeah, thanks.